one activity that I like to do at the beginning of the year to have them practice single-digit addition and number recognition is to use dice, but I use them in a bottle because it keeps them from rolling all over the table and falling on the floor and making a bunch of noise. So what I do is I put dice in a bottle and hot glue the lid on so it doesn't come off. If you'll notice, the bottles have different color tops on them, so they won't realize that they're in the low group or the medium group or the high group, is that my classroom is sports themed. So there's the group like the Red Sox, the White Sox, the Green Bay Packers, and so they're in teams. And so far that's worked well without them being able to figure out which ability group they're in. They would go to their center, they would find the appropriate bottle based on their group. Each child gets a bottle, and each child gets a laminated piece of paper and a dry erase marker to use. And all they do is they sit down and they shake their bottle and they lay it down. The water in the bottle magnifies the dice inside. For the low kids at the beginning of the year, they can either recreate the dots that are on the dice if they have forgotten how to write the number, or they can just write the number. But what is mandatory is that they put the addition sign in between and they put the equal sign at the end. I want them to practice that from the beginning and go all year with that. And then what they have to do is count the number of dots and write the answer on the end. Once they're done that, then they have to write a number sentence on the bottom line using the numbers, not dots anymore. And the medium group has the green bottle, and their bottle only has one die in it. And what I usually do is I will say, the green team, your sum today is going to be, and I put a number up on the board. And so they know that that is their sum for the day, and they will write it in after their equal sign. Then what they do, they shake the bottle, they read the number on the die, they'll write it in. Now they have to find the missing number. 1 plus what equals 7? The high group has 2 dice in it as well. What they do is they also have a sum. So I would say, like the White Sox, your sum today is going to be 19. So all of them are 19. And they actually have 3 equations. They would shake the bottle, read the dots. One thing that I like to do for the higher level kids is to put dice in them that have numbers on them rather than dots, to up it a little bit so they don't have the dots there to help them count. But so they would put, I got a 6 plus a 6. Now they have to find the missing number to get to 19.